Hi everyone, and welcome to the new episode of PPC Academy. As you probably know, my name is David, and today I'll talk about how to promote your products with sponsored brands. Tune in to learn more, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Sponsor ads give you an outstanding possibility to increase your brand awareness and grow your sales. All campaigns do, but these do it better. Now you're wondering why. It's simple. They allow us to leverage creatives and interesting headlines to get people intrigued and increase the conversion rate. There are a few different sponsored brands campaign types. Type number 1, product collection. You can select multiple products from a landing page of your choice, and they will appear as a banner on top of the page when a particular targeted keyword is searched for. You can also add your logo and a headline and use it as a CTA. A custom image is another interesting beta feature option. You can add a custom image that appears in your ad. It works best as a lifestyle image showing the product in use. Number 1, store spotlight. Drive traffic to a store including subpages. Basically, you're advertising your store. These campaigns work the best with branded keywords and general terms, for example, electronics, tool, etc. They don't have an option of a custom image. Type number 3, video. You can feature a single product with an auto-playing video. Videos are 16:9 aspect ratio and last between 6 and 45 seconds. They're great as they have a higher conversion rate and help shoppers understand and experience the product before even buying it. You're probably wondering, okay, what about targeting? How to reach more people with sponsored ads? Keyword targeting in sponsored brands works well with both branded and non-branded keywords. When a person searches for a keyword that you're advertising for, the banner ad will promote your product or store and will appear on top of the page. Ads and targeting campaigns can also be searched in form of sponsored brands. They appear on a product pages in form of a banner that shows 3 products. You should however stop performing highest converting ASINs from your sponsored products campaigns and achieved great results that way. I hope this video helped you understand your potential of sponsored brands. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do it now and get regular updates about fresh videos. Also, remember to follow us on social media channels and see you next time.